Okay, I get it. A lot of people are struggling to pass their prop firms. I'm going to make a simple video, the most basic video ever. That is so easy to follow with proper risk management on how to do your stop losses, your take profit, and then on the best setups to take, guys. It is so easy and so simple, and it's life changing. You could literally make thousands of dollars if you can discipline yourself to do this exact strategy. And I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love it. It's so easy to do, any very beginner friendly. So let's go right into the strategy here. So this is Top Step. It's one of the best prop firm accounts out there because if they've been the longest, they've always paid out. And I'm going to go over the 1 minute strategy. You only need the 1 minute. I do more advanced strategies that I'll be releasing more if you want more trades. But I can firmly say that the 1 minute strategy, you'll get about 1 to 3 plays a day, if sometimes more depending on the volatility. But you can put bigger size in these plays to knowing that you're very confident to make lots of money. All right, so let's go into the very beginning of the day here. Let's go right at 9:30 is where you're going to get some of the best plays as more volatility happens. So all throughout the day, what we want to see is the three bands. You have the EMAs. When you set these up, very simple. EMA 5 is the purple, 10 is the yellow, 20 is the blue, and then these bottom bands are my ATR4 bands that I customize, and I show you guys how to set it up and all that if you do decide to join my Discord. But let me just give you examples to see if you guys like this and how it works. As you see, you ignore price that is not at this bottom band for buying, and then you short it when it's at this upper band. But you don't just immediately look to buy it unless, here's the key factor, it has to have time distance. So right up in here at this EMA 20, we have 1046 is touching it. You have to wait around 15 minutes before you even look to get in a trade. Well, this was obviously 15 minutes all throughout here, but nothing was touching the bottom band. So when we get close to touch this bottom band, you can see the explosive move up this has had. So what I do is I look to do right click, limit buy. Depending on your account size, I would do a 2 contract order here, and I would make tons and tons of money on this. I'm always looking for at least a 1 to R&R. So I will do a 300, if for 2 contracts, I would do $600 stop, $600 take profit. We would definitely made that and way over that. So, yeah, that's the basic strategy. And as you can see, we go and go and go again. Right in here, it got pretty close, but not close enough. But as you can see, you would have made nice, decent return there. But then once it hits the EMA 20, we reset the time distance again. All throughout here, hold up, my baby's crying. I'll be right back. So all throughout in here, as you can see, we have not touched this EMA 20. So we look for 15 minutes of time distance. And as you can see from here, we have 1508 all the way to 1521. So if we add 1508 to 1518, that's 10 minutes. We're about 3 minutes, 13 minutes of time distance. This one would have worked. If I would have, if you were quick enough to take this one would have worked. And look at the decent move down you had. And you can always take profit at usually the 5 and the 10. But like I said, 1 contract, I would do a 300 and 300. 2 contracts, 300 take profit, 600 take stop loss. And I'll show you guys how I do that. It's very simple. And then right in here, as you can see, when you get close, it made massive money. Super, super easy to do. And if you go over to the settings here, you could look at this. What is your risk settings for your bracket? They make it so easy to do. I do 300 and 300 and usually just do 1 contract. And that's simple. And if you make around $300 a day, well, times that by, what, 10, and you pass the challenge. So it's super easy to do. It's really not that complicated. I think you guys can all do this, and this can be life changing. And the more accounts you had, you can copy trade. So if you have 50K accounts and you're making $300 a day, well, that's 1,500, right? $1,500 a day you're getting, and it can really add up. Obviously, bigger accounts, you'll make more. And this is really the strategy, is it? You don't have to be on your charts all day long and be like, oh, I'm waiting for a system. I'd be like, bam, got to set up here, and then Bam, right in here, beautiful setup. Barely any price against you, goes right in your way. And if something's abnormal, then you have your stop loss. But more often than not, you will make money and money and money. I promise you. It's a very nice system because all price action, what we're using is reversion of the mean. When price goes to hit this EMA 20, that is your reversion of the mean, and it can do whatever it wants. Usually it consolidates like this, and then it makes a move up or a move down. And as you can see, price is going in waves. But when it gets so overextended, like when it gets near this lower band, that's when you see these big reversal candles. And that's what we're trying to get. Big up candle here, and then we get these reversal candles coming down. So I hope you guys really saw it. I hope this video really helped you guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and where I'm alerting these plays, I go live for you guys. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, in the description, and in the description will say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you're having if you have an Android, you'll have to do it on your computer or your computer or your browser on your phone. Avoid scammers. I will never trade your accounts. I promise you. I'll never DM you. I'll never message you. I'll never message you first or send you a friend request. You can read the testimonies of how lots of people are making thousands of dollars using this account. If you want to join, hit server shop in the top left on your computer, and it'll say day and swing trading plus for 12 bucks a month. You want the day trading because that is what we're doing. This is just a complete tutorial on how I'm doing it. 50K account, you're doing one contract. We're doing the NQ, the ES, or the RTY. Those are the three things I'm doing. Same exact strategy. Wait 15 minutes of not hitting the EMA 20. When we had that time distance, we look for that upper band touch here. As you can see, when it gets very close to that, we have a sell-off, and it's just been absolutely beautiful. Right in here, we touch the roll right in here. Even if you got in right here, you would have been fine. Have your stop loss down here, and it will automatically do it with a bracket, and you just keep rinsing and repeating. The goal is to make at least $300 a day with the 50K account, and then when you pass it, you do another account, and you just copy trade it, and because you can have 5 accounts on Top Step, and you can make potentially $1,500 a day. If you had 5 100K accounts, you'd be making $3,000 a day. So this is a strategy that's very conservative. It works. I do have more strategies that I'm really about to release that have giving you more alerts, but you're also, remember, more alerts, more potential to lose. You're going to have a lot of false signals. Whereas this strategy that I showed for you, it's been back tested, it's been proven. I passed my challenge doing this exact 1-minute strategy. I think you guys are going to really like it. So for 12 bucks a month, you get access to everything I have, all my education, how to set up your charts, future knowledge, past knowledge, a day trade community where we're spotting these plays for you, and we also do option plays. Like right here in the day trade chat, we have a big, nice community where we're just like constantly making money. Day trade alerts where I alert option trades, and when I alert an option trade for like SPY, QQQ, or IWM, well, it's the same thing for futures that we can take. So I think you guys will really like it. Day trading education, I post a lot in here of like the best setups you can get. There's another video here. There's higher probability of setups that I take, and they meet that quality. The setup I just showed you is an A+ setup. If it works, it's if you see those, you take it. You'll get about 1 to 3 a day, and that's all you really need. So yeah, you're gonna get all that. Definitely join the live streams. I go live every day. I show if you guys have any questions. I am here for you. Anybody that puts in the effort, pays for a membership, and actually wants to learn and watch the videos, I am going to put all my effort so you guys are profitable trading. I don't, because a lot of services, they just leave you hanging. You're going to learn how to fish, how to do these trades so that when you're in the trade, you're confident. But yeah, I think this is the way to go. Prop firms are very nice. You can have less capital and you can make massive amounts of money as long as if you know how to trade, which you guys will know how to trade. That I guarantee. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to join the Discord, I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments in the description. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment what you want to see more of and what you like, and we'll pass more prop firm accounts for you guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.